hazardous industry. Alang, the largest shipbreaking yard in the world, having 60,000 workforce if all the yards are occupied, and 100,000 workforce working in shipbreaking downstream industry. Forming or organizing a union in Alang was not an easy task because there were not a union, registered union for these workers. So as I mentioned before, we started certain activities from 2003 to 2005. We make aware to the workers that about the size of the industry and what we can do. And by this, on 11th November 2005, few workers came together and formed the union. The name of the union is Alang Sosia Ship Recycling and General Workers Association. Our activists, our shop stewards working in shipbuilding sector, they are fully aware how the ship is building, what are the color code of the pipelines, how the machinery is placed, and when it would have come to for breaking, what would have been the changes about the color code, about the other machineries, and they come out with a syllabus, and we decide that syllabus of 4 days trainers training program, and we had a program in India first, then Bangladesh and Pakistan.
मेरा नाम रविंद्र कुमार, मैं उत्तर प्रदेश गोरखपुर का रहने वाला हूँ। अलंग सोसिया शिप रिसाइकलिंग एंड जनरल वर्कर्स एसोसिएशन से जुड़ा हूँ और एसोसिएशन द्वारा जो ट्रेनर ट्रेनिंग का प्रोग्राम दिया गया उसमें मैं शामिल था और उस ट्रेनिंग में हमने ये सीखा कि उसमें मैनेजमेंट के लोग भी शामिल थे, उनके साथ किस तरह से बारीकी से समझाया गया उसके बारे में हम लोगों ने बहुत अच्छी जानकारी ली। उस ट्रेनिंग के दौरान हमें जहाज़ के बारे में बहुत सारी जानकारी बारीकी से जानकारी दी गई, जैसे कि अल्बेस्टर खतरा क्या क्या, गुदड़ी से खतरा क्या क्या खतरा होता है, पाइप कलर कोडिंग के बारे में बताया गया, फिर केमिकल के बारे में बताया गया, कौन कौन से केमिकल घातक होते हैं उसके बारे में बहुत अच्छी से जानकारी दी गई, फिर गैस के बारे में जानकारी दी गई, वेट हम वजन चीज़ किस तरह से उठाना है, किस लेवल पे उठाना है, उसको हम किस तरह से उठाएं उसके बारे में जानकारी दी गई। फिर इस बहुत सारी चीज़ें जानकारी दी गई बहुत बारीकी से जो हमारे दिमाग में बैठ गया और उस ट्रेनिंग से हम ट्रेनिंग लेके और काम के दौरान लोगों को बीच में सेफ्टी के बारे में बहुत अच्छे से हम समझाते हैं। जो हमने सीखा उसको हम बहुत बारीकी से हमारे समझ में आया और उसको हम काम के दौरान लोगों के बीच में बताते हैं और लोगों को जागरूक करते हैं।
One thing is good now, without training, no worker can be appointed in Alang. There are certain specialized training programs conducted by Government of Gujarat, conducted by our unions, special training to gas cutter, special training to firefighters, and the special 4 days training, that is TOT, Trainers Training Program, and this training is helping a lot.
मेरा नाम सुनील कुशवाहा, मैं उत्तर प्रदेश के रहने वाला हूँ। अलंग से ये यूनियन से मेरे को जो ट्रेनिंग हुआ अच्छा सीखने को मिला और अच्छा इसमें ईपी का अच्छा ढंग से सीखे। उसके बाद जो है हेलमेट पहनने का, वर्दी पहनने का, जूता पहनने का, सब कुछ ये हमको अच्छा से सीखने को मिला। गैस कटिंग का काम करने के लिए बहुत अच्छा हमको प्रभाव और बहुत अच्छा सीखने को मिला। इससे आगे और कुछ हमको बहुत आनंद से मिला सीखने को।
All the stakeholders, including government and employers, taken a cognizance of it. Employers are sending their experts in our training program, and they are much satisfied with this. See, pandemic is a special situation, a special case. First 4 to 5 days, everyone was trying to be in his own house and not thinking about collectively what is to be done. In our cases, I was in Mumbai, my president was in Mumbai, Other 2-3 office bearers were also in Mumbai, and few officers were in Alang. Third day, I had a virtual meeting with my cadre in Alang. I just talked to them, taken a stock of what has been happening, and periodically, frequently, we started a virtual meeting. So need that there was a lockdown, the workers were not getting their salaries. So the first demand union made is that they should be paid their salary during the lockdown period. When lockdown started, there were around 15,000 workers and members of their family, and they want some sort of immediate relief. We made a demand with the district administration to provide them subsidized free ration kits, and with the help of district administration and with the help of employers association, our union's activists to distributed ration kits to more than 21,500 workers and members of their families in 2 phases. And these kits were distributed by maintaining social distancing and observing all the norms by the Government of India. Then we demanded with the administration and Gujarat Maritime Board authorities for fumigation of the whole yard, sanitization of the whole yards. People wanted to send some money to their native places, but the ATMs were not in operations. We made that demand with the bank authorities, and that has been sorted out. Whole India faces a different issue, that where there is a temporary workers working, and that's without families, and they are the migrants. Immediately, anyhow, they wanted to go to their native villages, and that flow was very high. Everyone was coming to union office. Union approached to the district administration. District collector himself visited office. Sub-divisional magistrate SDM with his team many times visited union office, and they asked us to provide some sort of database. Who are the workers, from which state they wanted to go, where? And we have a database. We provided it to the district administration, and few trains have been made available by the district administration and railway authorities. Then the issue come of the reopening of industry. Government and employer wanted to reopen the industry. We were having some sort of reservation that it should not be in hurriedly manner, but they reopen industry. We wrote to the Gujarat Maritime Board, government, what would be the ill effects if they started, if they reopen the industry. And in that case, there is a shortage of workforce. In that case, as we were having database, 24 hours we can say, we had a person to whom workers can contact over telephone or any kind of mean. Friends, trade union work is not a work of a single person. Everyone has to involve in it. We believe that coming together is a beginning. Keeping together is a progress. And working together is a success. And we all, industry all, FNV, ASARGWA, SMEPI, we are working together more than 20 years, and we hope and trust that definitely we will succeed in our mission. Thank you.